I actually am very, very excited about this next live cooking show that I'm having with my daughter Valérie. She will be in California, in LA, and I'll be right here in Connecticut. And we're going to make together my best vegan burger. What I love about it really is one of those bite into burgers, none of those mushy bean patties, and made with wholesome ingredients. And what is so special about it took me years to really get it just right, you know, that beautiful chewiness. But what I love about it especially is we're going to do two different versions of the same vegan burger on different coasts. I think, will make my original one. There's mushrooms in there, although I don't know that you know that they're there. And with farro to give it that nuttiness, chewiness, and what else is there in there? And of course, my pureed lentils. And I am going to make it on the East Coast with black rice, so it'll be gluten-free, caramelized onions instead of the mushrooms, and I think I'll do black beans instead of lentils. But what I love is that I've created this formula, this perfect formula, where once you know what you're doing, you can change one of the three main elements that they are: the whole grain, the bean or legume, and the vegetable. And you always come out with that bite into delicious burgers. So please join me and Valérie on June 5th, it's a Monday, at noon Eastern time. It'll be 9 a.m. for her. How devoted is that? And I hope to see you there. So just go on my YouTube, get reminded, click on the notify me so you don't forget. And of course, I'll record it in case you can't make it live.